Does one who is making up qadr fasts have to make them up consecutively or at random?
For a person who has missed his fast in Ramadan while he's making up his qadha fast, there are two rulings. There are two groups of scholars. One group of scholars say that it should be consecutively. It is based on a hadith which is present in al-Bahaqi as well as Dar al-Qatni, which says that if a person who has missed the fast in Ramadan, he has to make up the fast consecutively. But this hadith is a daif hadith. It's a weak hadith. There is another hadith which is present in Dar al-Qatni, which says that a person who's making up for the qada fast, he can either make it consecutively or he can make it separately the way he pleases. So the right ruling is that both options are available. He can do it the way he wants. Because the Quranic verse says in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 184, that if a person is sick, if he's ill, or if he's on a journey, he should make up the fast later from the other days. Once Ramadan is over, he can fast any other day. And the same message repeated in the next verse in Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse number 185, that it says that they have prescribed to fast in the month of Ramadan. But if anyone who is ill or on a journey, he has to make up the prescribed periods from the other days. So based on this, the right ruling is that the qada fast can be kept anyway, whether consecutively or it can be kept separately. The choice is his. There is no one particular hadith which is authentic in which the Prophet said how the qada fast should be kept, or it describes how the Prophet kept. But there are other hadith which speak about the call of the Sahabas. There's a call of Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, chapter number 40. Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, said that a person who has missed the fast in Ramadan, he can fast separately if he pleases. There is another call in Dar al-Qatni of Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him. He said that if a person wants to make up for the fast he has missed in the month of Ramadan, he can fast consecutively if he pleases. So the right ruling is that the qada fast can be made together if a person pleases. If he missed 15 fasts, he can fast 15 fasts together, or he can fast at random, one fast a week, one fast a month, or once a fortnight. The choice is his.